Well, a little update to the wood splitter scenario. We got a new tire on here, a new used tire. We just need to top it up with hydraulic fluid. This thing is heavy. You can tell a mechanic built it because it's way too heavy. So, my brother donated a broken lawnmower, and I modified it to fit on the stand that is for it. So once we get it to the property, we'll be able to move it around a lot easier. Gravel's a little bit tough for it to move around, but now I can move it with one hand. And if you lift it up, you can turn it either which way you want it. I mean, this would work for a boat trailer if you, you put a ball hitch on the top of it, or I mean, an old lawnmower there. If the engine seizes on it, there's probably 100 of them laying around, and makes it easier to move. Splash.
Oh. Hydraulic fluid.
Yeah, what just splashed out the top of the bouncing around quite a bit. He's fine.
Your tough tote's in the back of the truck, is it?
Yeah. Okay. And for now, I'm just gonna slide it in here. Just put it in there for now. We can just run it forward when we want to use it. Probably the best place for it. New home. That's all I need.
Skippy's got a new home.
Bolt up here first. Let's look around here. Wait. So where are we going with it? Right there. I gotta clear out a spot. I think what I'd like to do is clear out this area right here. And maybe we'll pile that wood off to the side there. And I mean, that's something I can do in a...
Oh no, well, I'm here.
All right, let's pile it in front over here. Okay.
We can pile in the back of my truck, you know.
No, I don't think that's not how it's gonna work, buddy.
Does it work that way?
No.
Damn it. I gotta keep trying, Yvonne.
There's no loading and driving like hell around here.
Yeah, well, according to my uncle, that's how you do things.
What's the quote?
Load her up and drive like hell.
Yeah, I'm sure the Top Gun guys would just love that.
Oh yeah.
Your ego's a bit high if you're flying in F-18.
Oh yeah.
has to do.
On the ice.
That's a 140.
What's the worst that can happen? Well, an engine gets shoved through your head at 80 miles an hour.
It would have just, if I'd have hit the ice, it would have just been a very expensive mistake. Nobody would have got hurt. Wasn't going fast enough. You got to be in the air and going at about 100 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't necessarily need to be 100 miles an hour either. It's the sudden stop that really gets you in trouble. Dog, could you stand in any more of a...
Come here, Lucy. Here, Lucy.
butt area?
Come on, Lucy.
We've got a squirrel living in that.
In here?
Yeah, in the birdhouse.
Little bush squirrel or little
Skippy, little Richardson ground squirrel.
ants.
That's that way. Big ant farm.
Let's drag it in over there. Or can we lift it? It's not that heavy. Set her down. Okay, let me get the mower out. Make sure it won't be over in here. Boy, that wouldn't be good for the mower.
It'll chop up some things, but it won't chop that up, eh?
Okay, we'll clear out that spot. And then when you're not using it, you just push it that way.
Okay, then when you come out here, you'll
You
cut out
just-
here.
Yeah, you just push
Perfect.
it out here and pull it out here and finish with it.
Yeah.
You gotta stand over here.
Ooh, that sounds painful.
That doesn't sound good, Keith. It wasn't turning, barely turning.
Got her?
Got her. Stand back. Gotta send me a video of that. She's a flail monster. When we're done for the fall, we'll have to add this to the burn pile.
I got a bunch in the back of my truck, too.
Yeah. Were you cutting wood today?
No, not today. No, I was building that shed.
Oh yeah, how's that working out?
Not bad.
Good.
I got the walls up. It's 8 feet by 4 feet by 80 inches high.
Well, that's pretty high.
Yeah. I probably fit 2 cords in there, you know.
Well, yeah, I think each one of the ones that I built, at least 2 cords.
Yeah.
You know,
That's
might
what my
be-
neighbor seems to think. He was over there watching me and comes over and, oh, we cut 50 cords a winter, eh?
Yeah.
That was when I was 20 years old.
Oh, well, yeah. Bring her out. It ain't that bad. Like one
No,
person.
it's not
can
terrible.
move it. All right, tuck her in there.
Yeah, I let the truck driver do it.
Perfect, right there. Just take this. Turn sideways. You gotta flip it. Yeah. Oh, watch the wheel. I'm taking the wheel out. Oh. Make sure we got fluid. We got fluid. Get some fuel. I think we got about like a quarter tank in there. Make sure that.
I got some premium home checker oil.
The oil. I replaced the oil, so you can see there's oil down there. There's a fuel valve on there. You should. Are you over here?
It's on,
Yeah.
down, is up.
Valves, usually valves like gate valves and stuff. Everything that's in line, like if it's in line, it's open. If it's across the flow, it's closed.
Yeah. Is this your choke or just throttle?
It's throttle. Now, I leave it.
There is no choke?
There's a choke right here.
Okay.
Okay. So that's full choke on.
Okay.
Bring some rope out here because I can see this is milk. Yeah. It's good setup right there.
Yeah.
And
You could dump your logs right around here somewhere.
well, see, the problem is I don't want to.
No, not out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's why I would. That's why I was thinking you dump them here, or well, you have to dump them on this side
Yeah.
because otherwise.
Well, unless you got two people.
Good balance here. Once in a while, you pick up one or two every.
Yeah, there don't seem to be as many as there is in the wintertime, eh?
What's
There
that?
seems to be more better pellets in the wintertime.
Yeah, well, I think everybody's out there just kind of use them in projects. Winter time comes along, and outside projects die. We got 6 in there. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got 6. We got some over there. It's a good place for it, eh? The next project.
Don't tell anybody what it is yet.
It's a secret.
I think so. It's good dirt.
bigger up in you. That's the line.
I only cut this once every 3 or 4 years. The only reason I cut it the first time was to get rid of the poplars.
Yeah.
You got to do it every 2 to 3 years. And by next year, I'm going to do the one across from Julie's.
Yeah.
And cleaning that out. And then